All right, so this is yet another episode of Roads Untraveled by Ink That Matters, and this is your host Shri Nishan. And today our guest is Miss Archana Jain. She is a socialite, she is a social worker, a social activist, she's a plus size model, and she's also a research and investment analyst. So there are actually a lot of things to know about her, to talk about her. So let's first welcome her. Welcome, Archana. Welcome to Roads and Travel.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Shirin. It's an honor to be here. I think that matters.
Pleasure is all mine. All right, Archana. So before we start, you
Yeah.
actually, started your career, as a research and investment analyst. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah, you started your career like that. You wanted to have a career as a research and investment analyst, and then you moved on to, become a model, and then you became, a social activist. You also have your own business, the Florian Salon and Spa.
Fine, Salon.
Right. So how did that journey happen? How is that a person from being a research analyst move on to open a salon, have become an entrepreneur, and then become a social activist? How did that happen?
Okay. Well, since I'm from the Marwadi family and Marwadi family में ऐसे होता है ना लड़कियों की जल्दी शादी हो जाए ये हो जाए but
हाँ,
पहले से मेरा mind काफी बहुत clear था and since beginning I was very focused and goal oriented what I wanted to do in my life. So I just it happened to be I was reading one magazine and मैंने बोला stock market में जाते because it was very adventurous. That's how since my college days I started my research analyst. I started writing articles and corporate stories for the financial newspaper, and that's how I became the research analyst. And my guru was J.S. Rungta. Now he's no more. And then after that, with the college days, I completed my, side by side. I was always passionate into glamour industry. So I completed my hairstyling course, my skin aesthetic, and lot more. And from there, I thought, now let's start my own journey as a business person. So from research analyst, and still I'm a research analyst and an investor in market. From there, I jumped into my salon and spa thing. And then from there, I thought now what's more, then I came across this advertisement of a plus size model audition, a pageant show, and I went there. I gave my audition just as happy okay. I was not prepared कि मैं जाना है ऐसा कुछ. Then I completed. I got selected for the show, like for the further thing. And I went there. I was like ठीक है कुछ सीखने ही मिलेगा. There I went, and by God grace I won the crown also. That's how I started my journey of a fashion model. And then I was with Rabia Patel also since beginning, and I was working for her show and a lot of things. And that's how I entered into the journey of a social activist. I started my own Florian Foundation beforehand. Then Rabia gave me the position of president of Giants Group of Mumbai One. And now I'm president of Maharashtra of Nari Foundation. So it's simple. Whenever opportunities came to me, I just grabbed it. I thought, let's learn later on and just do it, whatever is coming on the way.
You have been very, very inspirational, Archana, in that way, the kind of social work that you, because I've been closely watching, your journey as to, we have been friends on Facebook, of course, and I've been closely watching your journey, and it's been very, very inspirational, your journey, the kind of social activities that you do, the kind of, things that you get yourself involved in, even at the time of pandemic like this you have been actively involved in all these social activists. What motivates you to do that? How's that you get motivated to people here are anybody who would get scared to get out of their house. They don't even want to go to their office for that matter. And how is that you encourage yourself to go ahead and work for people who are lesser fortunate than us? How is that you do that?
Well, as we all know, life is not a bed of roses, so we have to learn to how to live with the thorns. And it's simple. When I am into social work and I'm a social activist, so when you look around in the world, there are a lot many people who need us. And if I'll sit at home and I won't do work for them, it's not going to be fair to my own position. And I was never scared. मेरे को fear element मेरे अंदर पहले से ही नहीं था. जो होगा वैसे भी होना है. So why to bother about it? That's the reason since day one, जब से से ये कोरोना पैंडेमिक हुआ है तब से till now we are doing our job, distributing ration, feeding the stray animals, supporting the transgender community, and lot more we are doing, and we are super happy to do that. That's what it gives you the immense pleasure once you do all those things na. Ghar aane ke baad, no doubt we are super tired, but jo happiness ki feeling hai, nobody can beat that. And lot of until now I'm very happy, like others have recognized your work, like almost 40 certificates I have collected till now. And I was like, that's how your work is being paid off, or people look around at your work. So it's all by God grace we are doing a fantastic job. That's it.
And many congratulations on all the the awards and the certificates that you've received. I've seen them all also, and congratulations on that. Every day I wake
Thank
up
you.
actually to one of your certificates on Facebook. So many congratulations on that.
Thank you.
You need to do something, for people to recognize you that way. So certificate ऐसे
Absolutely.
मुफ्त में तो नहीं मिल जाता है ना. You work for that. So you should be
Very true.
absolutely proud about that. And
Absolutely.
seriously, whoever has been watching you or whoever watches you will definitely get inspired by you, motivated by you, and definitely they would want to do something for the society in return. That much I'm very sure about it.
Thank you.
All right. So you told me that you're still, a research analyst, and then you moved on to become, a model, a plus size model. So when you entered into the industry of being a plus size model, have you ever been mocked, or have you ever had to face any kind of discrimination because you are a plus size model? Or how do you take that tag? Do you take it very proudly, or do you feel bad about it? How is that you take that thing?
In ancient women's or probably Indian women's का ये सबसे बड़ा plus quality होता है to be the plus size model or probably the plus size. That's the beauty of it. And since
Right.
day one, it is the beauty lies in the eye of the beholder. It's very simple. I am comfortable and confident in my own skin. So even if people
Right.
is, अगर पतली है तो पतली को वैसे चिढ़ाएंगे, सूखड़ी है, ये है, कोई फैट है तो
Mhm.
उसको वैसे चिढ़ाएंगे. So लोगों के बोलने
Right.
से अगर मैं अफेक्ट हो जाऊंगी तो आई एम नेवर गोइंग टू अचीव एनीथिंग. So that was never a
Right.
problem. Of course, I believe in being healthy, eating well,
Right.
and working out, giving my body 30 minutes a day. But it's not never that I need to pressurize my body for others. If they love me, they want to accept me as I am, fair and good. If they don't want to, so it never bothers me anyways. I am successful and I will be successful. So nothing
Right.
as sort.
Right. So journey के शुरुआत से ही you had this kind of confidence, or your experiences made you take up that confidence in you, or your journey के शुरुआत से ही like you had that kind of a confidence that whatever people say, that will not be a matter to me at all.
नो बट जो इस लाइफ में कभी भी एक्सपीरियंसेस और लेसन मिलने के बाद ही हम इतना कॉन्फिडेंट होते हैं. सो जैसे जैसे लाइफ की जर्नी लेसन देती गई, एक्सपीरियंस मिलते गए और कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता गया. एंड ऑफ कोर्स माय अंकल वाज माय इंस्पिरेशन, माय मदर हैव ऑलवेज सपोर्टेड मी. सो हमेशा उनके साथ रह के या उनके गाइडेंस के हिसाब से, एंड बाय गॉड ग्रेस आई वाज ऑलवेज ब्लेस्ड. That one thing, whenever I started my journey in any of my course, like I have done my global financial management or my course as from EMBA or my trichologist or everywhere, I was the youngest in all. So अगर किसी का एज वहां पर 30-40 है, तो I was like 5-6 years youngest to them. तो ऑलरेडी उन लोगों से सीखने काफी कुछ मिला. इट वॉज लाइक अ रेडीमेड बटर मिला है हमेशा. सो एज द कंपनी सो द कलर, आप किसकी गाइडेंस में रहते हो एंड उस तरीके से आपका कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप होता है. So that way I was like, journey के साथ साथ confidence भी आता गया and I moved on. That's it.
Right. और आपने अभी कहा कि you were born and brought up in a traditional Marwadi family where marriage was the first criteria for any girl in the family. So how did you actually tackle that kind of a background, that kind of a situation, and then you became a successful entrepreneur, a model? Entrepreneur होना तो भी ठीक है, पर you became a model also, coming from a traditional family life. So how did you break all those barriers?
So
Or
well, वो
how
तो अभी
easy or how
भी
difficult was it?
एब्सोल्युटली वो आज भी प्रेशर है कि एज हो गया है, यू नो मारवाड़ी फैमिली में 21 का एज होता है, 22 का हो जाता है, प्रेशर आने लगता है शादी कर लो, शादी या यू नो या
Right.
फैमिली के एंड जो रिलेटिव्स होते हैं वो प्रेशर डालने लगते हैं। एंड मारवाड़ी फैमिली का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है आज भी यहाँ पर बॉय चाइल्ड जो होता है, मेल चाइल्ड को ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस दिया रहता है, वो ही सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, फीमेल नहीं कर सकती। तो आपकी लाइफ में सारे इंसिडेंट्स होते हैं और उस तरीके से you make yourself that way कि नहीं मुझे अचीव करना है। एंड when you look around people in your life you feel that कि अगर इनकी जिंदगी ऐसी है, एक ही लाइफ मुझे मिली, अगर इसी में मैं अपनी लाइफ साड़ी पहनकर किचन में बेलन हिलाकर एंड कर दूंगी, then I don't think so my life is this. I can
Right.
be that successful. I can hire a maid or probably of 10,000 and I can instead of spending my whole life there, she can do that work for me. Of course I can organize things well if I am good at it, but apart from that I can make myself capable in other thing which I have. तो डील करने की जहां तक ये आदत हो जाती है, इंसान किसी को बैंग करता रहता है तो असर ही नहीं होता है। सो इट्स नाउ इट्स लाइक कोई बोलता हुए तो इट डजंट अफेक्ट मी, दे आर सीइंग मी प्रोग्रेस। एंड जब आप सक्सेसफुल होते हो तो इंसान को अपने आप जवाब मिल जाता है। So your parents are
Exactly.
watching you, okay, she is successful, she's doing well. So if I am capable, I'm handling myself well, and I don't think so कोई चीज रोकेगी मुझे या फिर मुझे सुननी चाहिए, because it's my life at the end of the day. I have to go through all the things.
Right. So your parents have been very, motivating and supportive of your decisions from the beginning, or you have,
No.
yeah.
My mom, she is supporting me always, but not my dad. But ठीक है, he have always supported me wherever financially required, which every parents does. But
Right.
मम्मी ने हमेशा support किया, and I have learned कि ठीक है जैसा है जो भी है, and बाहर by God grace friends families अच्छे मिल गए हैं. So through that I have gone through it. I've learned myself. So simple, I've learned one thing, like all the pains should be converted into strength, and that's the day where you get successful in life. So अपने दर्द को हमेशा पेन को मैंने strength में convert किया है, and I have just moved on because I have a very bigger goals and vision, and which is very clear.
That's very,
That's it.
very motivational, Archana. Like you have some, somebody who dreams. सब लोग सपने देखते हैं, but they should have that
Agree.
guts and that determination to achieve those dreams. So I think anybody
Very
who's watching this show right now with us, or who will watch our show on our YouTube channel, definitely they will take a lesson or two from your journey. कि
Mhm.
कैसे सपनों को
Thank
अचीव करना चाहिए. You have to have
करना
that
ही चाहिए.
stubbornness in you. कितने भी how much ever pain you have to go through, or how much ever hurdles you have to go through, you have to have that determination to
Very
succeed in life. See,
very true.
otherwise you
Absolutely.
had an easy option. Okay, settle ho jao, whatever parents say, you could have listened to them and settled down. No, with painless life, you don't have to go through any problems in life at all. But you chose the other path and you have succeeded also.
Very true.
So that is something, that people can look up to, especially women. Because
And
being a
I
girl, you
actually
have
got
done that.
I got a lot of proposals also, very good proposals कि life set हो जाएगी, जरूरत नहीं है. But I
हाँ,
am not
हाँ,
that girl who will sit at one place just मेरे को सब कुछ मिल रहा है. I really want to work and I like working. I'm a workaholic person. So that's what's
right.
motivate me. And I will, in fact, अगर मैं बैठी रहती हूँ idle, I go into depression. I just can't, sit idle. Always I need to work. That's it.
All right, Saima Abbasi says that you are an amazing human being.
Saima, she is a darling sweetheart. She herself is an
Yeah.
amazing person, no doubt.
So
I'm
she's
very fussy about
commented
my
here.
makeup, huh? Yeah, she is a makeup artist, and I'm very
Yeah.
fussy about my makeup. Trust me, she is a fabulous makeup artist. Well, I have told her कि मेरी अगर शादी हुई ना in future, you are the one who is going to do makeup for me.
Right. So she must be listening to us right now as you say this.
Absolutely.
All right. So that is one kind of determination, Archana, seriously, because बहुत सारे लड़कियां होती हैं जो like क्यों हम इतने सारे झंझट में पड़े, क्यों इतने सारे पंगे लें, easy option choose कर लेते हैं, whatever is easy, even if they want to make a career, they have some kind of problems in life, they immediately leave it. They don't want to
Give
pursue
up
it at all,
completely.
you know. So, but
I
you
myself
are,
did.
not. Huh.
No, you continue.
No, you tell me.
It's just like, of course, life में इतना easy नहीं होता है. When start any business, आपको कोई support नहीं मिलता. अगर आप spa salon industry में, there are a lot of people who start commenting about it. मैंने starting में जब अपना salon business चालू किया था, मेरे family में से ही लोगों ने और मेरे father ने, किसी ने भी, सबने ये बोला था, you have started a नौवे की दुकान. That was the statement which I got. And I made sure that, no, okay, it's fine. But still, I am into a wellness sector and I started my brand 1 year. After 1 year, I tied up with Franchise India pan level. And in Chennai, we opened up two branches. So that is how I have made sure that my brand is going to go on another level and it will flourish more. So it's like किसी के सुनने से या किसी के उससे मैं अगर गिर जाऊंगी, so it's not going to work that way. बहुत challenges आते हैं, उसको ये बोलते हैं ना, गम का घूंट पी लेना चाहिए और बढ़ते जाना चाहिए. It's that way.
Like दूसरों की journey से and your journey में the difference what I see is, like दूसरों की journey में they have hurdles from outside, the society or the people or people we don't know or people we meet every day. उनके हिसाब से like they get hurdles, but for you, your parents probably were not that supportive when you started your journey, but still you stood all alone and you have achieved what you have achieved right now, and kudos to you for that.
Thank you.
Okay, so you have your Florian Spa and Salon, and how did the Florian Foundation happen? How did you think about having a foundation in place when you had a business running? How is that the foundation took place?
Okay. So when I started my business, I always, somewhere or the other, back of the mind, I always wanted to open something for the society, do something or contribute for the society. Then after that, when I met Rabia Patel at the Walk for Cause, she was one of the inspiration who motivated me for the social cause. And from there, I started my Florent Foundation under the same brand name of Florent Spa and Salon. And of course, Rabia is one of the trustee in that. वहां से मेरी जर्नी सोसाइटी को लेकर चालू हो गई थी. And when I was child, young, and I wanted to go into politics and police और वो सब मुझे करना था. That was my dream. एक बच्चा होता है वो हमेशा बोलता है मुझे ये बनना है, मुझे वो बनना है. सो मैंने सोचा अगर मुझे पॉलिटिक्स में जाना है, अगर मुझे लोग जानेंगे ही नहीं मैंने क्या काम किया है या सोसाइटी के लिए क्या किया है, तो मेरा करियर वैसे भी कैसे बनेगा. या इफ आई वांट टू हैव लाइक वांट पीपल टू गिव मी वोट, why will they vote me, what I have done for the society. This is one of the
Right.
reason why I opened up my NGO, or probably I'm helping the society, because it gives you the inner peace also, as well as I'm going ahead towards that journey or my
Journey
career
of
of
being a
politics.
politician.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so that's news. वो पता नहीं था हमें. अभी viewers को पता चल जाएगा कि we have a politician in the making, and that too a very good politician who thinks about the society.
Absolutely, we have
Okay,
to.
so we have to, yes. Anybody who has to. अगर politics में जाना है नहीं जाना है, that is secondary, but they have to have some kind of a responsibility towards the society. That's a
Very
very
true.
very good point. ठीक है. So अभी you had your Florent Foundation in place. So how did this becoming a president of the giant group of Mumbai One happen? So how did that take place in your career? Like
ओके, सो मुझे खुद नहीं पता था ये अपॉर्चुनिटी या ये पोजीशन मुझे मिलने वाला है. सो राबिया पटेल, जब मैं उनके साथ जुड़ी तो उन्होंने मुझे 2 साल पहले ऑब्जर्व किया व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, हाउ आई एम गोइंग थ्रू ऑल द, लाइक हाउ आई हैंडल माय वर्क एंड ऑल. एंड वी डिड अ प्रोजेक्ट ऑन वुमेन्स डे एंड 7 days कंटिन्यूस हमने वो प्रोजेक्ट किया था. फ्रॉम फर्स्ट ऑफ, आई सपोज आई फॉरगॉट द डेट, वुमेन्स डे का कब था, टिल वो मार्च, आई सपोज 1st March से लेकर टिल 8th March हमने लगातार 7 दिन जल्दी उठ के सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स कंप्लीट के लिए. एंड ऑल ऑफ अ सडन शी कॉल्स मी वन डे कि look, now I want you to be the president of Giants Group of Mumbai One. Would you like to take the position? I was like, yes, I would love to. Why not? I'm always there for the society. Anytime, just tell me what you have to do. That's how this opportunity came. मेरे को पता भी नहीं था कैसे होने वाला है, क्या होने वाला है. And I just grabbed it. I always told you कि कभी भी लाइफ में अपॉर्चुनिटी आती है मैं ले लेती हूँ, बाद में देख लेंगे, बाद में सीख लेंगे. वो ना बोल के मैं पहले ही डर जाऊंगी, गिव अप कर जाऊंगी, तो आई एम गोइंग टू सिट हियर ओनली. It's like learning. Throughout the journey is all about learning. So learning and earning goes both together. So it's learning stage. Why not to just take the opportunity and go ahead with that?
And then you
That's
became a president of the Maharashtrian Nari Foundation also, right?
yeah.
You're
Yes.
still the president of the Maharashtra Nari
President
Foundation.
of Maharashtra.
Yeah.
Yeah.
तो इतने सारे
President of Maharashtra.
yeah, correct. So itne sare responsibilities, how do you actually manage individually? Because har kisi responsibility ko you need to give that kind of a time for that also. It is not that just your responsibility mil gaya to bas le liya. You give that time also to each one of them, individually,
Absolutely.
and do that work also. तो कैसे वो manage होता है?
वो सी मैनेजमेंट इज एन आर्ट, वो अपने ऊपर है। हम चीजों को अगर लेते हैं तो हमने अगर किसी को कमिटमेंट दिया है या मुझे कुछ काम करना है तो हम चीजों को प्रायोरिटाइज करते हैं, अपने डे को शेड्यूल करते हैं। व्हेन आई गेट अप इन द मॉर्निंग आई शेड्यूल माय डे, ओके आज मेरा ये अपॉइंटमेंट है, मुझे ऐसे ऐसे करना है। सो उस हिसाब से हम अपने शेड्यूल पूरा वीकली प्लान बनाते हैं एंड देन जस्ट गो अहेड विद दैट। So it's simple things. It's we just make things complicated. If you have the will and courage to do that, you will find the way anyhow. So I don't have to give any kind of excuses for that.
कभी कभी स्ट्रेस भी
That's
होता होगा ना कि इतने सारे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज हैं कि कैसे होंगे, कहीं क्लैश ना हो जाए और कहीं फानो मिक्सअप ना हो जाए, बहुत सारा स्ट्रेस भी होता होगा, तो व्हाट डू यू डू एट दैट टाइम?
जब मुझे बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस वैसे भी रहता है और होता ही है, बट अगर हो भी जाता है सो आई ऑलवेज फाइंड माई वे फॉर इट। आई ईदर रन आउट टू माई बंगलो एट लोनावाला और प्रोबेबली आई जस्ट टेक अ 2 days ब्रेक एंड आई जस्ट उस टाइम में कोई अपॉइंटमेंट्स ही नहीं रखती हूँ अपने। एंड ईदर आई लव सिंगिंग एंड ऑल, तो या तो मैं सिंग करने लग जाऊंगी या आई लव लिसनिंग टू म्यूजिक। तो अपना डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन इज सिंपल। आई लव वर्किंग सो आई प्रेफर टू वर्क हार्ड एंड पार्टी हार्डर। तो रास्ता वो भी बना ही लेती हूँ। आई मेक श्योर दैट आई एम गिविंग टाइम टू माई सेल्फ ऑल्सो।
राइट। So do you take off at any given point, 7 days in a week में कभी off लेते हो क्या? Like because of you have so much of responsibilities and a business in place, because a businessman को कभी off नहीं होता है, Saturday हो या
हाँ ये
Sunday
तो
हो,
है।
if you're an employee then you get an off. For a businessman or a businesswoman you don't have an off. So do you take an off also?
I'll be honest, मैं पता है जब भी काम करती हूँ ना, सी ऑल व्हाटएवर आई एम डूइंग इट्स माय पैशन। अगर मैं काम करती हूँ तो ही मैं खुश रहती हूँ। इनफैक्ट जब छुट्टी हो जाता है ना मुझे टेंशन आने लगता है मैं करूँ क्या। सो ऑफ की
Right.
मुझे ऐसा फील ही नहीं होता कि मुझे छुट्टी चाहिए। अगर चाहिए भी रहता है तो मैं काम करते करते भी, अगर मैं ट्रैवल कर रही हूँ कहाँ पर एंड इवन इफ आई एम इन अ कार, आई मेक श्योर दैट मैं अपना गाड़ी में बैठ के भी वो काम कर रही हूँ। और एल्स इवन आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू दैट, आई हैव माई पीपल और माई मैनेजर, दे हैंडल इट। सो ऑफ मैं अपने आप ले लेती हूँ, मैनेज कर भी लेती हूँ चीजों को। तो ऐसे छुट्टी वाला फीलिंग कभी आया नहीं कि छुट्टी चाहिए मुझे।
ओके। वो बहुत अजीब है ना, लाइक यू यू लाइक द वर्क दैट यू नो द डू, तो छुट्टी जरूरत ही नहीं है। If you're
एब्सोल्युटली।
loving the work that you do, or like people who go to office, they keep earning for a holiday, they want a holiday क्योंकि उनको जो ऑफिस में जो काम करते हैं वो उनको उतना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, they come because they are forced to do that work.
दैट्स
But
व्हाट
for
ना,
you
व्हेन यू आर
you
एन
love,
एंटरप्रेन्योर।
हाँ, but for you
व्हेन
you
यू आर
love what
एन
you're doing.
या या कंटिन्यू सॉरी।
No, you tell me.
When you are an entrepreneur, when you have your own businesses, so it's very easy also to make out things, plan things accordingly. अगर मैं 9 to 5 का जॉब कर रही हूँ तो ऑफ कोर्स सी बात है, कहीं ना कहीं आपको एक लिमिटेशंस आ जाती है।
हाँ,
एंड
हाँ,
ऐसा नहीं जॉब मैंने नहीं किया, मैंने भी जॉब किया है। बिफोर स्टार्टिंग माई सलोन आई हैड वर्क फॉर 6 months एट जावेद अबीब सलोन एज अ मैनेजर एंड अ हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट।
okay,
अगर खुद का मैं फ्लोर पे काम नहीं करूंगी तो मैं अपने बिजनेस को वैसे भी नहीं चला
right,
सकती। सो इवन आई
right,
हैव मैनेज दैट टाइम, मैंने भी बहुत सारी चीजों को सैक्रिफाइस किया है वो टाइम पे।
right.
तो इट्स वेरी सिंपल, आई डोंट नो, इट्स जस्ट जर्नी चल रही है, काम कर रहे हैं, हैप्पी उसी में हो जाते हैं। यू हैव वेरी सिलेक्टेड फ्रेंड्स विथ whom you talk, you just feel light. So that's how I manage my personal life also.
Okay. तो अभी घर पे कैसे मैनेज होता है? बिकॉज यू मस्ट नॉट बी स्पेंडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम एट होम बिकॉज यू हैव सो मच ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एट हैंड। तो घर पे कैसे टाइम मैनेजमेंट होता है, लाइक विथ योर पेरेंट्स और एनीबडी एल्स, योर फ्रेंड्स?
टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, डैड हमेशा बिजनेस में बिजी रहते हैं, इतना टाइम उनके पास रहता नहीं है। मॉम हमेशा अपने पूजा एंड ऑल वो सब में बिजी रहती है। सो माय फैमिली इज ऑलवेज, सब लोग अपने अपने में रहते हैं, तो कभी फैमिली लाइफ का ऑनेस्टली कभी ऐसा फील नहीं हुआ कि वो टाइम मैनेज करना है। अगर सब मिलते हैं बात करते हैं तो हो जाता है, नहीं भी होता तो आई एम फाइन विद इट। सो दैट्स हाउ माय जर्नी
Right.
इज गोइंग ऑन।
All right. You are one determined person, Archana, I must say. जो
आई नो।
जो हो चाहिए वो करना ही है, like it is not like by
वेरी
any other way, but only sheer hard work. So hard work
वेरी
में anybody can achieve your dreams. You are a classic example actually.
थैंक यू।
So anybody who will watch this show, I'm going to have a wonderful time, writing about you in an article, how you have done, how you have achieved your, goals. Like, because from each, guest who comes on this show, we tend to get, a lesson for life. कि उनके
वेरी ट्रू।
हिसाब से, like in their journey what they have done, वो हिसाब से, like we get a kind of a lesson, and from you this is the lesson that probably anybody can get, whoever is watching this show right now. All right.
या
So like you were a research analyst, or if you became a model also, you're still modeling, right?
या आई एम मॉडलिंग, इफ एनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कम आई जस्ट गो फॉर इट।
Right. So
जैसे
you're
अभी
still
क्लासिक
modeling.
विजन का एक शूट था,
Huh.
मेरा आई वेयर क्लासिक विजन आई वेयर ब्रांड का एक शूट था। सो आई मेड श्योर दैट टाइम, लाइक हार्डली जुलाई में था वो, एंड लोग डर रहे थे उस टाइम भी बाहर निकलने को। आई वाज लाइक, आई जस्ट वोर माय मास्क, आई ड्रेस्ड अप एंड आई वाज लाइक, आई एम गोइंग फॉर द शूट, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू थिंक अबाउट एनीथिंग, जो होना है वैसे भी होगा, क्यों मैं इतना सोचूं। सो आई जस्ट कीप डूइंग दैट ऑल्सो, जो अगर अपॉर्चुनिटी अच्छी आती है तो।
राइट। तो कभी किसी चीज में तो डर लगता होगा ना, लाइक नाउ यू से, लाइक आई डोंट गेट डीमोटिवेटेड, और आई डोंट गेट स्कैर्ड, मैं डरती नहीं हूँ। कभी किसी चीज से तो डर लगता होगा लाइफ में कि ऐसे करूंगी तो ऐसे हो जाएगा, समथिंग दैट यू मस्ट बी scared of, or probably success, or probably failures, anything. So what is that your one thing that
I
you're
do
scared
have
of in life?
a problem. I do have a problem of failure. मुझे उस चीज से जरूर डर लगता है, शायद इसीलिए वो मुझे हमेशा मोटिवेट करता है कि मैं सक्सेसफुल ही रहूं। ये चीज का डर
Right.
है। अभी ह्यूमन, सो डर सबके अंदर होता है, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं कोई चीज से नहीं डरती हूँ। सो ऑफ कोर्स अगर मैं कॉकरोच से डर सकती हूँ तो ऑफ कोर्स लाइफ में इंसान हर चीज से डरता है। मुझे फेलियर का जरूर डर है, बट इट्स ओके, दैट इज लाइफ। सी
Right.
इट्स लाइक यू हैव
You
टू
need
फ्रेम
to.
योर लाइफ।
Yes, you
So I'm
need
just,
to be.
very true. I've just framed my life and I'm just going. जो भी जर्नी है, जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स, एंड सबकी लाइफ में इश्यूज होते हैं, प्रॉब्लम होते हैं। सो मैंने अपने जो भी लाइफ में लेसन्स मिले हैं या जर्नी में जो भी एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है उसको कन्वर्ट किया है एक पॉजिटिव वे में, और मैं आगे बढ़ी हूँ। अगर मैं उसको पकड़ के रोने लग जाती तो मुझे नहीं लगता मैं लाइफ में कुछ अचीव कर पाती। प्रॉब्ली यू शुड रीड दिस बुक इफ यू वांट टू नो मोर अबाउट मी, माय होल जर्नी इन एंड आउट। यू शुड रीड द बुक वुमेन्स ऑफ सब्सटेंस बाय राबिया पटेल।
Yeah,
उसमें मेरे
yeah,
चाइल्डहुड की जर्नी और अब तक की जर्नी सब कुछ मेंशन है। तो जिन लोगों
right,
को पता ही नहीं है कि वाई अर्चना जैन इज दिस वे, दे विल कम टू नो दैट।
right. People who see you right now, उनको बस सब कुछ अच्छा अच्छा दिखता है, like she's achieved this, she's getting so much of fame, or she's got her business, but they don't know what has taken you to reach that place. उन लोगों को नहीं पता है कि how much you have traveled, or how much hard work goes into reaching a place that you've reached right now. So
वेरी
that they
ट्रू।
will have to come to know when they read, your life journey through the book of Women of Substance. तो वो बुक के बारे में ऑलरेडी हमने इस शो पे बात भी किया है, जब रबिया जी आई थी इस शो पे। तो अब फिर से मैं बोल देती हूँ कि इफ एट ऑल यू वांट टू नो द जर्नी दैट अर्चना हैज ट्रैवल्ड एंड बिकेम सक्सेसफुल दैट शी इज राइट नाउ, please go ahead and buy a copy of Women of Substance by Rabia Patel. So you will get to know her life journey and how you can, convert your dreams into reality. And
यस
Archana is an
एब्सोल्युटली।
example for that, right? All right, Archana. Now let us talk about your, the social, activities that you do, especially during this Corona times. You have been, just tell us the activities that you have been involved in after this, pandemic situation has hit us. Like what is that you have done?
All right, so what we have done first, मैंने जब ऑब्जर्व किया हर कोई राशन बांट रहा है, खाना बांट रहा है, वो तो हमने भी किया. वी हैव डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड राशन फॉर अराउंड thousands of people. We have worked with Zomato and Swiggy people and उनके एक स्पॉट्स होते हैं वहां पर जाकर राशन सबको डोनेट करना है, हमने वो भी किया. पर ट्रांसजेंडर कम्युनिटी या एल बी कम्युनिटी जो है उन पे
LGBT
किसी ने फोकस
community.
नहीं किया. हाँ, सो
हाँ.
उनपे कभी किसी ने फोकस नहीं किया. एंड व्हेन आई गॉट अ कॉल फ्रॉम विकी शिंदे एंड शी वाज टेलिंग द जर्नी कि हमें बाहर निकलने नहीं दे रहे, हम राशन कैसे लाए, यहाँ पर ऐसा प्रॉब्लम ये है. एंड दैट टाइम वर्ली में ऐसा इशू था ना कि सब कुछ मतलब इतना पुलिस का हर एक एक एंड्स पे सिग्नल पे पुलिस थे एंड यू कांट इवन गो देयर और मूव आउट. But we had the permission and the letters from police, and with all the safety measures, we went there. And उनका सुनने के बाद I anyhow our whole team arranged funds, and हम जितना भी उनके लिए एटलीस्ट सैनिटाइजर्स और मास्क कलेक्ट कर पाए हमने वो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया उन्हें जाकर, ताकि उस कम्युनिटी पे हम फोकस करें. बाकी अगर मैं बाकी लोगों पे भी करना है नीडी पे, ये सबसे
Right.
ज्यादा क्लोज टू माई हार्ट प्रोजेक्ट था ट्रांसजेंडर कम्युनिटी का. एंड इन फ्यूचर आई एम प्लानिंग टू डू मोर फॉर देम. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स फीडिंग द स्ट्रे एनिमल्स, उनके ऊपर हमने कभी फोकस नहीं किया. तो व्हाट वी डिसाइडेड कि अगर हम सपोज 12 मेंबर्स है तो हमारे ही बिल्डिंग के नीचे एक किलोमीटर के एरिया में हम अगर कुत्ते या बिल्ली या बर्ड्स को कुछ कर खिला सकते हैं तो हम हमारे एंड से वो करेंगे. दैट वाज आवर प्रोजेक्ट. देन गर्मी का टाइम था एंड ऑल द माइग्रेंट्स वर्कर्स वर गोइंग back to their villages and lot of things. तब हमने पानी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया था और बिस्किट्स. एंड व्हेन वी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड दैट एट वीकी साइड, लोग बिस्किट लेने को तैयार नहीं. दे वर सो थर्स्टी, दे जस्ट वांटेड वाटर. Like they were crazily taking water bottles, but they were not ready to take biscuits. Imagine the situation. So वो एक अलग ही था. Then we are now doing the project of online education, digital दान. So basically अभी इस्लाम अंजुमन खैरुल इस्लाम स्कूल, वहां पर गर्ल्स चाइल्ड को पढ़ाई के लिए मोबाइल फोन की जरूरत है. सो अ यंग चाइल्ड ग्रुप ऑफ मुंबई वन, दे हैव कलेक्टेड द मोबाइल फोन एंड नाउ वी आर गिविंग दोस मोबाइल फोन टू देम. And lot of food packets also we have distributed, like biryanis to and cakes and to the needy ones in Baikla. So जो भी जर्नी आती गई ऐसे बहुत सारे चलते गए छोटे 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 प्रोजेक्ट्स. एंड फिर ऑनलाइन हमने काफी प्रोग्राम्स रखे थे for health, for mental fitness, and for financial fitness, everything. So we have tried to do whatever we can do for the society, and we'll keep doing that.
Of course, of course. I'm very sure that you will be doing that because I've been watching your journey as to how you do, from feeding the stray animals to, distributing food packets. I've watched it all. So obviously I know that, that you have been involved in all these, activities very actively. And all the very best on the journey ahead also in whatever you do. And before we wind up, Archana, I know that you sing well, and I've heard you singing before also, live, also, recorded on your, page. So, any of your favorite song that you can just, sing for our viewers today?
I will do that. So one of my favorite song is of Arman Malik. So I'll sing that for all of them. That I'll sing. Okay. आहटे कैसी ये आहटे सुनती हूँ आजकल, मैं ये बता दस्तके देती है दस्तके यूं अजनबी से पल, ए दिल बता कुछ तो है जो नींद आए कम, कुछ तो है जो आंखें है नम, कुछ तो है जो हम होठों से कहते कहते कह ना पाए. That's it.
Wow, that's
Thank you.
wonderful, Archana. You have a very, very sweet voice. I guess,
Thank you.
apart from being an entrepreneur and a social activist, you should seriously consider singing also as a career option, I think. You have a very, very, very
Let's
sweet
see.
voice. You must
Let's see. I'll think
definitely
about
consider
that.
that. Yeah, you should. Probably, from a fan. So I've become a fan after hearing you right now. So definitely you should consider
Thank
that.
you.
All right. So, Archana, one last thing I want to ask you: what would you advise women who want to pursue their career or their dreams? How they will have to do that. As in, obviously, they'll have a lot of hurdles in life. So, what do you suggest them doing? And do you think it is achievable? What do you think about that?
All right. So I'll just say that behind my journey, I'll just mention that आज मैं जो इतनी successful हूँ, आज भी male dominating world है. Women's are achieving everything, but uh, जब my brother, younger brother, उसने मुझे challenge किया that I'll make sure that I'll damage your career. That was the thing which keeps motivating me. Yeah, so I won't go deep in that, but I'll just say that life में सबके problems है, सबको तकलीफ है. एंड हमेशा अगर आप अपने पेन्स को स्ट्रेंथ में कन्वर्ट कर दोगे, आपकी लाइफ की जर्नी अपने आप स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. एंड ऑल द वुमेन्स आउट देयर, दे शुड हैव दैट करेज, will and power to do that. They should believe in their own karma and just go ahead with this just by thinking positive and by being positive. That's all I can say. अगर अपने दर्द को उन्होंने रो रो कर निकाल दिया तो कोई कंधा देने नहीं आता है. सो कंधा भूल जाओ, रोना भूल जाओ और उसको अपने स्ट्रेंथ में कन्वर्ट करके आगे बढ़ते जाओ. शायद आप सक्सेसफुल होगे तो ही लोग आपके आगे पीछे रहेंगे, अदरवाइज कोई आने भी नहीं वाला है. रोते हुए के आंसू कोई नहीं पूछता है. तो
Exactly.
यू हैव टू
That's
बिलीव इन
very deep.
योरसेल्फ.
Right.
That's it.
That was very deep, actually, and that's a very, very good, message that you have given. And one more thing I'd want to know from you, Archana, like, abhi society, as you said, it's a very, male-dominated society. People don't like when women come up in life. Kitne bhi aap, pad lo, how much ever educated you are, family ho, ya friends ho, ya koi bhi ho, office mein bhi. Like they don't like women coming up in life. उनके बराबर हो या उनसे ऊपर जाओ, they don't accept. So how do you see that kind of an atmosphere? You being an entrepreneur, have you faced anything like that? You told me your family may like you had an issue like that, but outside the in the society, have you faced anything like that?
एक्चुअली इतना घर पे ही देख लिया कि बाहर हुआ होगा बहुत, बट कभी इतना ध्यान नहीं दिया, वो कभी असर ही नहीं दिया, मैंने ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. मुझे जो करना है बस वो करना है. एंड अगर इस चीज का एग्जाम्पल, यू शुड वॉच दैट गुंजन सक्सेना मूवी. उसमें है कि हाउ मेल डोमिनेटिंग वर्ल्ड है, बट उसमें हाउ शी हैव फिगर्ड आउट टू अचीव दोज थिंग्स. जस्ट एज अ
Right.
मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी, इट्स अगर आपको करना है तो आप रास्ता अपने आप ढूंढ लोगे. रास्ता बनाना पड़ता है आपको, सिंपल.
Right. Right. That was very, very motivational, Archana. Like I never thought that you will have this kind of a mindset or this kind of a determination that and also this kind of hurdles that you would have faced in your life. Though we were known through Facebook, मैंने भी बस सबकी तरह ही सोचा था. Okay, she has a business, she's a model, and she is a research analyst. So everything is a pretty picture. So I don't know what has happened behind that pretty picture, and now I know. Okay, like now, even though the picture is pretty, uske piche, like to make
Very
that picture pretty, you need to have so much of sacrifices. You need to cross
very
so many hurdles in life. So that I have known right now, and definitely our audiences also will have known right now. Thank you so much, Archana, for having joined us today and for having motivated us on this weekend, and also for having sung of such a sweet song for us. And you've been
thank
very
you, thank
sportive
you.
throughout. Thank you so much for having joined us
Thank
today.
you. Yeah. Love you.
And
Thank
thank
you.
you
Bye-bye.
all.
Yeah.
Yeah, bye bye.
Thank you,
And thank
everyone.
you all.
Bye-bye.
Yeah. And something you'd want to tell our viewers?
Just keep shining, keep growing. That's all.
Yeah, so you heard her, viewers. So anybody who's missed the show today or the episode today, please head to the YouTube channel of In That Matters. I'm very sure that this particular episode is not to be missed, because this is going to teach you a lot of things in life that you want to achieve. So ask, see for yourself and ask your friends also to go ahead and watch the episode, because Archana has given us a lot of life lessons today, and definitely it is all worth it. So, and thank you so much for having joined us today. So until next time that we meet with another inspiring guest, it's Shireen signing off from Roads and Travel by Ink That Matters. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks.